Hey everybody, please check out all our videos from the Mecum auction in Kissimmee 2025. And if you want to see them before everybody else, become a member. Thanks. 25th anniversary Trans Am. No reserve. '94. Well, this has got a wrap or something. Yeah, it's a wrap. So I'm not real happy with it's not even really a good one there. But this is wrapped. It's a 79 Chevy Corvette with a wrap on it. Not the best shape. Alright, so this is a Beaumont. Guys, if you don't know what a Beaumont is, it's basically the Chevelle for Canada. So if we go up here, so 69 Pontiac Beaumont convertible. So this is one of only 488 examples sold in Canada. So these are basically, they're kind of like the Canadian Chevelle. You don't see many of them. You can see there's just a little bit of touches. This has different tail lights. It's got reverse lights. The grille is a little different. The lights in front are a little different. Very cool, very rare. Here's a 70 T37 Pontiac. Should be a 1970, I believe, right? Nope, 71, my fault. 71 Pontiac T37 with 27,000 miles. There you go. And then here's a 74 Dodge Challenger last year for the Challenger of this kind. They did come out with a Challenger later, which was completely ridiculous. All right. So these are all the staging lanes. So this is the area where we'll see these go across the aisle. So we're gonna go and take a look at some of the ones that are on display that are interesting as well. So we'll go check those out, and then we're gonna come back in about 25 to 30 minutes.